Hello students, this is Ms. Froberg. I'm going to be walking you through a few things, so stay watching so you know how to upload your assignment. This is for uploading your journal page for each character. Remember, you're supposed to do one of these per week for each character. So if you already know how to do a file upload on Canvas, you're welcome to disregard this video, but if you're unsure, go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start by clicking Submit Assignment. This is how we can open and access the file upload. If you have multiple files, one for Joseph, one for Isabel, and one for Mahmoud, you're going to go ahead and click this Add Other Files. This way you're able to open up the file locator and upload those accordingly. Now, if you haven't your files on Google Drive, you're going to click this Google Drive tab. I personally have mine saved on my computer, and right now I only have Joseph. So I'm going to go ahead and click Choose File, and then I have Joseph. This is my Chapter 1 journal. I'm going to go ahead and open that. And I actually do not have a file for Isabel or Mahmoud, so I am going to just leave it at that for Joseph. Now, if I was working off the Google Drive, I could click this tab. However, personally, I cannot open it as a teacher. So you could open this, search, and then click Submit. Since I already have mine uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and click Submit Assignment. And I'm all set. See the confetti? It's showing it's already submitted, the date and the time, and then my file, and then I'm all done. And then I will check those in, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, but this is how you do it.